In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Shopify order confirmation emails not sending. Order confirmation emails are one of the most important automated messages in your Shopify store. They reassure customers that their order has been received, provide purchase details, and build trust immediately after checkout. When these emails stop sending, customers may think their order failed, which can lead to confusion, support requests, and a loss of trust in your store. The good news is that this issue is usually caused by simple notification settings, email authentication problems, or third-party app conflicts, and it can typically be fixed quickly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to diagnose and resolve order confirmation email issues in Shopify. So let's get started. The first method is to check your Shopify notification settings. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Settings, then click Notifications. Find the Order Confirmation email template. Make sure it is enabled and has not been accidentally edited or disabled. If needed, restore the default template to rule out any custom code issues. Next, verify the customer email address on test orders. Sometimes emails are not sent because the checkout email field is empty or incorrectly formatted. Place a test order using a valid email address and confirm whether the issue repeats. Another important step is to check your sender email and domain authentication. If your store is using a custom domain, ensure SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records are properly configured. Without proper authentication, email providers may block or silently reject order confirmation emails. You should also check spam and junk folders. In many cases, emails are actually delivered but filtered by the recipient's email provider. Ask customers to mark your emails as not spam to improve deliverability over time. Next, review third-party email or order management apps. Some apps like email automation tools, fulfillment systems, or CRM integrations can override or delay Shopify's default notifications. Temporarily disable these apps to test whether they are interfering with order emails. Finally, test your checkout process again after each fix. Place a new order and verify that the confirmation email is received instantly. In most situations, these steps will resolve Shopify order confirmation email issues. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, check and restore Shopify notification settings. Second, verify email addresses and test checkout behavior. And third, configure domain authentication and review third-party app conflicts. Remember that most email issues are caused by configuration or deliverability problems rather than system failures. Maintaining proper email settings ensures that customers receive timely order updates and builds trust in your store. And that's how to fix Shopify order confirmation emails not sending. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.